Hello everybody, everyone. Whoa, I already messed on my very first word. Yay! That's the spirit of being live, gentlemen. How you doing, guys? Only 50 seconds before the show starts. As usual, please let me know if the audio works. Well, Brian Davis, no thank you, I don't want you. Oh, DuckTales, oh yeah, please give me all of that DuckTales right in my ears. Well, only 30 seconds left, and Mr. Darda Sparta already tell me that the audio works. Beautiful, super. Hello, Latin First, hello, Sharky111, how you doing, man? How are you doing now? Okay, well, you know what, let's put the intro right now. How about we stop waiting and start that show? Oh yeah! Welcome to a new episode of Latch and Friends! Who's ready for some game development? I'm so pumped. I always like to do that with the energy. I wish I could do those energy bars in real life. Like, I wish I could do that. Please, I'm gonna put the music back just a bit. Boom. And first thing first, guys, I'm gonna drop the sound just a little bit. And I'm gonna ask you, all of you guys, to give your support to Mr. Monkey Man over here. He's getting through very hard times. And, yeah, man. I feel sorry for you, man. Get back on your feet. Move on. I don't know. I suck at having like wise words and everything, but please everybody give your love to Mr. Monkey Man over here, alright? You're gonna be okay, my friend. I love you. Alright, sweet. I'm not ready for game development. Give me about 20 minutes of that, friends. I'm depressed. Hey, Extra, how you doing? Latch! Zicrons, Latch! Oh, who's this handsome guy? I'm back. Hey, Billy's, how you doing, man? Sweet. That's because your power is not over 9,000. I'm working on that. I'm gonna make this happen. Okay, what am I doing? I'm so unprepared right now. Yes, a chess. Yes, always a chess. We need to start with the chess. That's what's going on. Little chess, and then I'll make the presentation with DuckTales, the moon, because I like the song, so I'm gonna put it back. Yeah, please welcome everyone, let's do the presentation. If you want to be part of the show, you can go over latchandpress.com and download the game to create your own night. So who's here with us today? Alucard J is saying duck to live longer. Billy00, I'm back, bitches! Balding Flank, level 4 has no rewards. Oh, I'm sorry, man. Brian Yaku, now Lash can say anything, say anything. Darda Sparta, oh, look at that ring. Kriya is saying, let's have some fun. Oh, wow. Catboy 72, Brozard, Sharky111, Happy High is saying, OMG. Emily, Salmek, Dontonian, Snow Demon, RWW Matt, woohoo! Rod the Pitcher, Silent Scientist, Nexon 20 is saying these boots were made for walking. To be fair, I need some new ones. Monkeyman 15, Dance Break! Okay, I'm not a dancer. Luke is saying, time for some Valborg! Gachu015, I am my gaming and say it's time to kick ass and chew bubblegum, and I'm all out of bubblegum. King00, vacation time tomorrow. See you, mate. I'm thinking, sweet man. Have a nice vacation, my friend. Gorm, and then Philip47, and then Exter. Woohoo! 8-Bit Steve is saying, Lash, you inspired me to be a better programmer. Yeah, sweet. I like to do that. I'm glad, man. If I can help people, I'm super happy. Okay, let's go on the code. I don't know what I'll be doing today, actually. Hang on. No, not this. No, yes. Alright. All of this. Okay, beautiful. Monkey Man is saying, did you get my message? Yes, I did get your message, my friend, but I got it like 5 minutes before I started the show, so I'm gonna reply to you, okay? And please, poke me again and again and again if I forget it, okay? Because I tend to forget things. So please let me know. Okay, yesterday, guys, right after I left you, I talked with Etienne. Etienne came over here and we played Infernax for a long time. We played for... Oh, my hair is all messed up. There we go. Poke. You're already poking me. So yeah, we played Infernax for a long time, like for 4 hours, for all the... playing the first castle over and over and over. And we made a big list of all the things to fix, alright? And as I said, it's all little grain of salt just like messing up with our big canvas, you know? So we're just like taking a small little broom and getting rid of all those little details, you know? So the big picture is done, that's what I'm trying to say. And we're getting rid of all those little things. But let me show you how big the polish phase is again. So I started with this over here, okay? So we listed this. Until here. So we got like hundreds of little things to do. There's a shitload of things to do, you know? But it's all very super small thing. For example, the pentagram above the player instead of in front of the player. What I'm talking about here is if I go... Oh, thing is not compiled. Please compile. Please compile. There you go. Okay, so if I go over main game, if I go over here, I want to remove that. I'm gonna put 2 boss 0 from right. Is there a... Yeah, there's a light that just got burned. Action friends, hey Latch, you're a smart guy. Say something in Portuguese for us. O meu rogo etao fodao. What did I just say? I feel horrible. I have like a little shiver going through my spine. What did I say? Please. Let me know what did I say. I'm pretty sure I said something horrible. I don't want to say horrible things. No, I don't want to put that on Google in case there's like sexual things in there. Yeah. My game is so badass, sweet, can't wait to see it, my friend. Okay, so here's like little problem we're talking about. That pentagram over here, instead of being on the character, it should be above the character, you know? So this is like all those little things here and there, you know? So that's where we are today. I want to just get rid of all those little things and just like focus on getting thing number 1 done, thing number 2 done, blah blah blah. And usually what I do to be more productive in a list like that, you know, at first when I started making game development, I was like, I don't want to do that, I don't want to do that, I want to make this, and then I go on to the list. So nowadays I don't afford myself to do that anymore, you know, unless there's like priorities where you you have to clean something before anything else. But otherwise, like, I have to complete all that list before the early access. So I just not allow myself to sort the to-do list. Just like, okay, fuck it, I'm gonna take number 1 and make it, number 2 make it, number 3 and make it, you know, instead of trying to argue with myself, I'm gonna do this one, blah blah blah. So it ends up being way faster if I do that. Okay, pentagram, though, so that's not the good one. Let's go on level 11 to 26. Okay, there's the pentagram, so I said like minus 100, I'm gonna like maybe this instead. And the villagers now has to be the greenish guy. That's like the second to-do list. The second to-dos in the list. Mr. Villagers, where are you? There we go. Create villagers 5. I don't want the 5th one, I want the first one actually. Yep. Hi, I'm not under attack. Hey, Awesome Games, how you doing? How you doing, Mr. Awesome Games? You must be doing great actually with all that beautiful coverage you're getting, my friend. Congrats on that. Please tell the audience what I'm talking about, my friend. Please talk about Night Squad. Let the people know, let the world know what's happening. Okay, so that's good enough. Okay, and I also need to do that in level event treasure boss room. Pentagram, put that here instead. And I'm just gonna do that. It's gonna be way easier if I do that. There we go. So that should do it. Yay, we fixed 2 things in the list already. So that's way easier. Essayez de faire passer cette musique apparaît plus vite qu'il die. Okay, so that means after the boss die, the cinematic should appear way faster than it is right now. So instead of this, I'm gonna do this. I think that's it actually. There we go. Great! YouTubers! Markiplier played my game. I'm so awesome now. Chains. There we go. That resumed the whole thing. Hey Fluffy Simon, how you doing? Die! Ah! Oh, 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 oh! Die, 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 die! Ha ha ha! You're no match for me! Ho, 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 ho. Yeah, okay. Sweet, okay, so I believe that will be okay. That's like double the time, so should be good. Okay, mettre du sang au bout de ta masse quand tu fasses le boss 0, which means put some blood on the tip of the mace when you hit the boss. So let's do that. I'm doing fine, and you? I'm doing great, my friend. I'm doing great. As I said, I have a shit ton of to-do lists to do, but instead of just whining, we just take the first one on the list and start working right now. So I got Burst of Gore here. French glasses with lash. There we go, Mr. Orimus. Nothing's happened? What the hell? Boom! So why don't you burst that gore, my friend? Create blood splat. Yes, do so. Why don't you do that? I put that in the 4FX. Is that because my... No. No. That's really weird. Great with gravity. What's happening? I got something with the gravity like this. FX. If I go over there, if I go over there. Yes, it is something. Now I got Gore Blood 1, and I believe that Gore Blood 1 is that little splat of blood. Infernax, visual effects, this, kill all the humans! Oh, ma pomme est dans le centre! Oh, I'm learning! Ma pomme est dans le centre. Ma pomme est dans le centre. Oh, I like this. The red dog jump over the fences. There, okay. Is that Gore 1? It is Gore 1. Gore Blood? Gore Blood. Like this, okay, so why isn't it appearing? I don't get it. Okay, first thing first, I'm gonna try to do this directly. Yeah, okay. Return FX. Okay, U, PX, no, I said PX, like this, attack, info. Attack info X plus attack info VX. Like this. Oh yeah, Cave Story! Cave Story, Cave Story, Cave Story. How about that? Where are you from? Deweddy? I am from Quebec, the French part of Canada. That's why I have this deep French accent. Baguette! Croque monsieur! Vis-a-vis! Apropos! Fucking die already. Boom, boom. Okay! Yay, it does work! Somehow. Hang on, let me start that again. Bam! Oh, you don't see my move? Look at my legs, look at my legs! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Come on, come on, come on, come on! I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Okay. So we fixed that. Already 3 bugs. Yay! Only 9,000 hundreds to do. Maybe, hang on. Mettre FX level up. So on va pas juste le texte level up. Okay, so I actually need that. As I want to shoot that to Mr. Etienne. Actually. La 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 la. Boom! Okay, so right now the effect when you level up, I really don't like it. So that's what I'm talking about. So to test that bug, let's take this and give that bastard like a shit ton of experience points. Boom, like this. Oh, come on. No. Boom! Boom! So I got this level up that I really don't like. Okay. Hero... Well, like, oh yes! Hero level up. Oh, I like that. Latch, I love your fuck task tracking software approach. But have you ever worked from stuff like Trello or others? No, actually. No. Trello, I did not work with that. And actually, I would not even... I mean, there's probably some more... There's probably a more efficient way of doing that. But, I don't know, it's good enough for me. I don't need to settle all the tasks everywhere and blah blah blah, you know? So most of the time when we try to use a new software, it gets more complex just to check all the tasks and everything. So I just use a text field and that's it. I like that. Meh. Okay, so I need like a I need a burst of something. Yeah, I want to take this. Yep. Let's do a little animation, shall we? Okay, so this right there, I'm gonna do FX level up verse. Yeah! Best name ever! Okay, so if I put that here and I put that here, like behind it. Hang on. 12 and 0. 1280 and 0. Meh, good enough. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Boom, okay, so it ends for a while and then it stops. Well, actually, I'm just gonna wait like this. Level up! I'll take like another 20 seconds like this. Yay! Okay. Okay, let's try to do something. FX, level up ball around circle. Meh. Okay, like this. Okay, so that will be 300. Come on, I said 300. Come on, 300, 300. Like this. Minus this, minus this. Guide. Like this. No. Let's be on the guide. Yay. And can I do like this? No, I want you to go clockwise. No, come on. That is not what I want. There you go. What? No, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. There you go. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, that's maybe a little too faster. Let's wait a little bit more, just like this. Okay, now maybe I can do FX circle level up all circle. Let's get down. So that would be a graphic, that would be a play loop, yep. Okay, like this. Good. How about we try that out? Maybe a little bit too much of them. Well, let's try it out. I don't know. Boop. Yeah. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, like this. Only one more, and I hope it will be okay. Whee! Oh wow, it's so beautiful. Wow, I am in awe. Okay, and that should be on. That should all go at here, like this. Boom. And that should be at 0. No, it's at 0, 0. And it should be above it, like this. Okay, I'm gonna try with this. Wow, a little bit higher. Wow. Meh, that's gonna do it. For now, it's just a placeholder anyway. So this, run common, this, let's put that into the animation factory. Like this. Let's compile that. Ramus, let's choose to be. Let's choose a dev team. We poke them on Twitter. Okay, you're talking about the Lechester's things. Okay, maybe I can do that twice, for example. No. Okay, like this. Check for level up, blah blah blah. Go to and play 1. Okay, so that will be it. Poof, like this. So I want to render a component like this. Can I add, like, add to actor and remove an and? Oh, Latch, I love you. You did some pretty useful animation function. I mean, level up, burst. So I don't need that, I don't need that, and I don't need that as well, and I don't need that. Simple as that. Alright, cool. Let's try it out. Hey Latch, how is your day, man? Doing great, doing good, my friend. We're gonna do a little Leicester attack later on, like in 30 minutes, and I can't wait, actually. I can't wait to see how that will go. Boom. Boom. Oh! Okay, that may be a little bit overkill. I tried using Mumble the same day that Twitch was eating links, but it seemed like the ghost of Moobot. Oh, okay, it was like... Oh, it wasn't Moobot? Are you serious? I didn't know that. Okay, I'm gonna put back Moobot then. Yay, level up! Cancel. Okay, cool. Okay, so that's a little bit too much, but at least we have something. Poof! Level up! Yeah, that's a little bit too much. Maybe I can remove that one. Let's put it as a guide just for now. Let's see with that. Have you finished a Lava Death animation? Yes and no. Actually, it's in the the list. It's almost there though. I mean, look. Ouch. If I just go in the water, not the water, but if I just go over here, and I just make it fade away from right to left, and that's it. That would do it. I still blame Moobot. There you go, Luca. Die, die! Oh! Okay. It's not what I wanted, but at least I have something for now. I'm gonna wait for Etienne, actually. Yeah. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna put that here. I want to sound level up. That's also not in my field and on my plate. Charge up level, but I don't spell level. Oh yeah, that one's a real complicated. If you change the screen while you are leveling up, you lost your level, which kind of suck. I want to see. Maybe I can do it like in the start. No, I do it here already. Okay, so yeah, why doesn't it? Ah, there we go. So that was the last level of this one. So if I go into start, that makes this happen. Okay. That's why. Okay, I'm gonna put a hold on this one because that will be a little more complicated, and I don't know how to fix that right now. That's some friends. Hey, Lich, hi, Goosey, hi, Volley69. How you doing, man? Okay. Maybe I can pause the thing though. Can I? As already by, yeah. Okay, I don't want this one. Component dead, okay. Touching floor, I don't want this one as well, don't care. This one, okay. And if I do have that, I just want, damn it. Well. Okay, I'm gonna try something. Main game, this instance, this game scene manage. No, it's not gonna work. I don't like that. Okay, so what can I do? Sorry, I'm thinking. For those who Okay, fuck it. Well, I'm gonna put a variable here. Okay, need to show level up UI. Simple as that. That will be false at first. And when I do know about that dude over here, I know that meta first, so this will be equal to true. Okay, so if this on the start, yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, so show level up MVI, yes, and now I want to do this. I believe that will do it. And now I also need. No, false. Yeah, there you go. Good. Let's try it out. Lash and friends, high five! Hey Preston, how you doing, man? Lash and friends, in the beginning of the development, you talked about putting a companion member or a familiar on game. There is one, actually, it's one of the spells. Shh! Spoiler! Lash and friends, you don't need to think, you are the best! Oh, stop it, you! Stop it, you! There you go! Okay, so that works. Now, next. the thing I want to test is, can I change the screen while I'm leveling up without breaking the game? Boom, boom. Ah! Nothing's happening. Okay. Show level up FX. Select actually this. No. I'm gonna do this instead. On level up. And I need to put everything in there. Boop boop. Like this. Okay, fuck it. I'm gonna put that as a variable here. Filled like this. Okay, beautiful. Now, please, I don't need you. I also not need you. Or should I say, don't need you? There we go. La 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 la. Game Buddy, I'm happy that Legend Friends Online. Woohoo! Well, I'm happy you're here, my friend. Welcome aboard. Boom! No. Ah, I didn't have time. So the bug that I'm trying to fix right now is when you are leveling up and changing screen. Boom! Everything explodes. Come on. There we go. Boom! Yay! Boom! Yay! Boom! Yay! Does it work then? Woohoo! Okay, sweet. Okay, so it does work, although it takes a long time before it shows up, and I don't really like that. On level up, show level screen, blah blah blah. I'm gonna put 60 seconds, 60 frames instead. It's gonna be like only 1 second instead. Easter egg, gravity suit from Metroid. Like literally. A playable Metroid character. How that sounds. Yay, level up. Okay, and now that screen over here is super dangerous. Because every time it was showing up, we were misclicking it all the time. Okay, so what's gonna happen is I'm gonna do enable all input to false. And I'm gonna wait just a little bit, like nothing big, you know, just like add call back to actor, this, yeah, let's call back, new call back, this, null, not null, but true. I'm gonna put like 5 frame. So you should not be able, and also, yeah, one thing less as well. On idle, so I'm gonna put that on idle. So the thing is, I am disabling all inputs of that specific screen just for about 15 frame. Not much, you know, but lots of time we were just like hitting the keys. We were just like selecting something randomly. We're like, oh no, I didn't want magic or something, you know. So FPS is gonna be back at 30, and this one will be at 10. That should do it. Okay. Whoa, okay, so that's a little too... That's a little too slow. I'm gonna put 20 instead. Much better than Bruce. Talking about martial art hero here. Sweet. There we go. Okay, so I think that's gonna be good enough. I think. I don't know. Boom, boom, hey! Okay, okay, cool. Nice. Okay, there's a big delay now. Assurance, why do you need a message level up above the hero? Is this message also block the upgrading block? I agree, actually. Let me put it out. It's just like placeholding stuff right now. Because I do agree that that level up text is actually really ugly. I don't like it. And I'm gonna destroy it. Boom and boom. Yay! Level up. Oh yeah, there's a song from the show. Okay, so when you change screen, when you level up, you lost your level. Boom! Fixed! Enlever the fuck, that's done as well. So that was like when there's enemy nearby, the level up screen wasn't showing up, and it was super annoying. I thought it was super clever, but new background parallax. You do deserve a chest, guys, I believe, though. Well. Will early access be available for Linux? I don't think so, unless Air can be run into Linux. But I don't know. Is it possible? Is it possible? I don't know. There you go, little chest for you guys. Whoop, take it, it's for you. Okay, so where I was already? Yeah, the new background parallax. Alright, levels. So that's all the animation. I want the levels. Levels 5, that should be it. That makes no sense. We decided to remove that. Where's the mountains? There's no mountains. Where are they? Okay, that's weird. Okay, so that was like the second layer of parallax. That makes no sense. This one, though. This one does. Okay, so yeah. Whoa. Replace. Boom. Okay, yeah, it is much thinner now. There was another one. Where it is? Where's this? There is not there. Okay, why? I don't get why. Where's the second one? Damn it, I don't know. Parallax. There we go. It wasn't fixed. I thought it was fixed. There we go. Now it's fixed. Oh, there's another one here. Come on. Kawabonga. Okay, like this. That should do it. Oh yeah. Did I compile it? I'm already out of focus. Okay, Philip says yes, but it is super hard about having the air on Linux. Okay. Well, okay, I'm gonna say no right off the bat, because I will have to convert everything into Unity, like, right now, which is not... which will be pretty hard, you know? I don't want to spend, like, 2 weeks in the middle of the project where I convert everything to Unity, you know? I want to do it at the end. Okay, so this... look at that, guys. I made a little debug thing where I can control the mountains. It's a two-player it's a two-player games, you know, multiplayer games. The second player can control the mountains. Yeah, I'm gonna get ya. It's super easy when you want to. It's super handy when you want to fine-tune the mountains behind. So that's what will happen today. FX background, please. Where are you? Set curve parallel. There we go. La 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 la. There we go, okay. Boom, boom, boom. Beautiful. Ginger Kiwi, welcome to the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. First follower of the day. How you doing, man? What else? What else? What else? Oh yeah, I wanted just to finish that up here. Nouveau par Alexandre. Bam! This one as well. Bam! All's been done. This one, I just want to put it here. Bloop, 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 bloop. Castle 1-1. The bricks are glitched. Let's check this out. Castle 1-1 over here. Yes, it is looking weird. Can I do like this? That. Okay, I get it. Da 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 da. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so that's all of them. Let's put that in the background. And I think I need something like this. No. Yay, it looks like it. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh, come on. Why? Why, if I do that, mess it up? Why is there like a gray line? What the hell? There's a big gray line over there. What the hell? Will that be exported at the end? Okay. Makes no sense, but okay. There we go, fixed. Somehow. There we go, and here there's no such thing as those lines. Yay! We fixed a thing! Yay! Done! Action friends, you said you were going to play Open Hexagon. Are you going to play it at the end? Oh yeah, I should download that actually. I should download it. I'm gonna suck at it actually. I'm pretty sure because I'm used to the patterns of Super Hexagon, but not with the Open Hexagon. Okay, so it is glitched on every single screen then. Okay, yeah. But I believe I can just take my fix from the first one, like this, and bring that to Mr. Castle 2 over here. Why are those bricks wider than those one? Okay. No! What's happening? Oh, Flash is broke. That's what is happening. Ash, probably this question was earlier, but why do you avoid Air? What is the profit importing the whole thing to Unity, cross-platform and consoles, my friend? If I want to make a console game with Air, I don't believe I will have any support. Like, I don't think I will have any support whatsoever, so I prefer to do that in Unity, so whatever little problem I have, I can, you know, just ask people, why is this bigger than this? Okay, actually this one isn't the correct size. We got ourselves a mystery, guys! Okay, so why this is... Okay, I don't get it. I wanna ask Etienne. Because that is our... That is, Oh yeah, Dude X is not on the channel! Welcome aboard, thanks for following! That is, out of my skills, so I wanna ask him... what it does. Okay. Score. How do you port on Unity? Do you have a program from scratch with tools to export everything? Yes, I made a lot of tools back in the days in 2008 to help me do that, my friend. Okay, guys, how about we take a little break? I did promise in the title to do a Leicester attack. So that's what happened, okay? Today, the guys I want to attack are Starmazer. They made a Kickstarter. Is that it? Starmazer? Yes. Sweet. Sweet! Latch Magic Compiler. There you go. That's impressive. I didn't know that was possible. Yeah, back in the days we had to put a game on iPod, a second generation. It was like in 2010. And we did not have any skills or whatever. So we just wanted to port that to Unity. And I saw a couple of people who did the thing that I was thinking about it, you know. So it was a game called OMG Pirate, and when I saw it in the dev blog, I saw that they did what I was thinking about doing. So it's like, okay, so now it's possible to do what I want to do. I'm gonna do it. So it took a long time to export our individual PNGs and then export the animation and then port that to screen and then add a shit ton of optimization. It was a long process, but I got it done. Skinny Tie is not on the channel. Welcome aboard. Thanks for following. Okay, guys, that's happening. Let's attack Mr. Starmazer right now. All right, Starmazer. Hey, Starmazer, you're under attack by the Leicesters. come over my channel if you dare. You want to attack by the Leicesters? Come over my channel if you dare. Okay, guys, so the thing is, please, you have to send a tweet to this guy over here, to Star Mazer. If he show up in the chat, I'm gonna give you guys a giveaway for the early access, alright? A surprise giveaway of the Infernax early access, alright? And so yeah, let's attack him. I'm gonna put a little intro and just like send him tweet or retweet my stuff, favorite it and whatever. Let's just go nuts. But please be respectful as well, alright? So let me tweet that, boom, and then put the Leicester intro. Fuck yeah! Dun, 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 dun. Onward! Onward! Let's attack this guy! Look at that already! So he has to show up, Mr. Star Mazer. I don't know if he has like a Star Mazer TV or something. I don't know. Maybe he's already here watching us. Maybe, I don't know. Look at that. Let's attack this guy. Okay, phew. I thought the music was stopping. Look at that. I fucking love the Leicesters. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on, I believe that Skinny Ty is a Star Mazer. I believe so. Hang on, you just called me. Hang on. Whoa, okay, I can see you guys. Oh, okay, you just called me. Whoa, we are under attack for real, guys. Oh, sweet. Okay, so
Happening right now.
it's happening right now, man. You guys have the balls, man. I love you. Okay, so
Just going in.
that's awesome. Okay, so now, guys, my audience cannot see you. So I'm gonna pop a little intro, and people we're gonna see you just right after that. Okay, so just wait a little bit, and I'll get to talk a little bit. Hang on. Just stay there.
You will.
It's a new show called Awesome People I'd Like to Be. So you should be appearing on the screen. Yes, everything is working perfectly, man. Sweet, this is the first. Okay, welcome everyone to the first episode, or should I call that episode of Awesome People I'd Like to Be. And our first guest today is the crew from Star Mazer. So you can see them. Okay, somebody's already following the channel. Sorry, I want to remove that because I'll be distracted if a lot of people are following the channel. Okay, so why don't you present yourself, guys? What is your company? What is your game? Go ahead.
I am Don Thacker. I am the writer and director of Star Mazer. I'm also the owner or co-owner of Imago Softworks, the maker of Star Mazer.
Sweet. Awesome.
I am Austin Montville. I am the game developer on Star Mazer and also the owner of 2DX, who is working with Imago Softworks to make
into a thing.
And I love your background, guys. Look at that. I want to be in that room, man.
This is the Star Mazer HQ. You can see us 3 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday on StarMazer.tv. We got a Twitch channel. You can see us here doing cool Star Mazer stuff.
Nice. So what's your Twitch channel? Is it Star Mazer TV? Can we follow that right now, or?
StarMazer.tv, yeah. Or
okay.
Twitch.com/StarMazer. Yeah.
Star Mazer.
There are 2 R's because we put twice as many.
That's the right way to spell it.
Yeah, but twice as many R's as any other star.
Awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna tell my audience to. Okay, people are asking me to put you guys louder, so I'm gonna put the volume a little bit louder.
We're pretty fucking loud right now.
Yell louder.
Yeah, how about
Break the
whispering?
volume.
We got it. It's in there.
There's volume everywhere.
It's there.
Nice, nice. So, guys, please let me just talk about the Star Mazer. What is it actually? The only thing I know, I mean, I learned about the game like it's a point and click shoot 'em up. What the hell? Please let me talk about that.
Sexy point and click shoot 'em up in space. It's it combines the best elements of like shooters without the shitty story, and the best elements of point and click games without the shitty action. It takes those, puts them together, so you have a really cool awesome game. It's not just two things stapled together, though. It's a natural evolution of two genres, all the best bits of two genres put together, baked to do an awesome video game lasagna.
Sweet, man. Okay, but my biggest question right now, let's take care of the elephant in my room, is, you know, point and click and shoot them up are two different audiences. So how do you, like, you just jump right in and that's it? I mean, will the game will be playable with my mom? Let's put it that way. Can you understand my question? I mean, there's like two different audiences, you know?
There are angles. We have multiple angles for this particular ways to answer. You are not the first person to say that.
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
Okay, so what's the best answer I can give you that's quick and... Dude, it's a game, man. Like, it's a video game. Is Alien a horror movie or a science fiction movie? Because horror movies, man, they're not necessarily science fiction. It's a movie. It's an awesome movie.
Awesome,
right?
man. Awesome.
Flappy Birds, that's like a mobile game, like a dumb mobile game, right? And like Mario is an awesome platformer game. Those don't necessarily like person on the bus with them.
They're completely
opposite. Those things don't match.
Gotcha.
What if I told you though, in the first water world in Mario, you jump into the water and you're playing Flappy Birds. They're just together already. It's just built in together. We're making a game. We're not making a genre. We're not making a fan service device. We're making a game. It can be nuanced and cool and large and have all kinds of different things to let you play. Skyrim's a sword simulator. Skyrim's an RPG. Skyrim's a crafting game. Skyrim, you know what I'm saying? We're not making Skyrim, but we're making some... Games don't have to be pigeonholed. Yes, there are different audiences, but I can promise you, all the way through, every single shmup fan has been playing a shmup and go, shit, man, this would be really great if it had a story.
Sweet,
every single one.
Man.
Every single one of them. And every single point-and-click fan, die hard. I'm telling you, Ron Gilbert at some point was like, I love to shoot something, maybe. That'd be nice.
Gotcha.
It's not that I'm using two opposing audiences. We're not trying to appeal to two separate groups. We're appealing to gamers, man. And gamers like variance. We can do it. We found two opposing things, or seemingly opposing things, and bubbled up the best bits and put a really cool game in the middle.
I love you all already, guys. You're as intense as me, if not more intense than me. Like, yo, man, this is my answer to your question, man.
It's great to find someone on our level.
This is great. I'm having a little technical issue right now, guys. Actually, we are not loud enough, actually. A lot of people are asking, okay, that's much better.
You hear
okay.
us just fine?
Sweet. Yeah, I put it like as much loud as I can. So people are saying that it's
awesome. All right, people are now ready to take all of our voices. StarMazer time.
So it should be fixed right now. Awesome. So, okay, guys, how long have you been making games, guys? This is not your first game, right? Don, I think you made a movie?
Oh, yeah. That happened. I made multiple movies. Actually, let's start with this guy, because he's pure game, and then we'll get into my comment.
I'll tell my story. So I've been making games for like 7 years now. I've made a bunch of different games, less than 20, but more than 10. I don't remember the exact number now. My most recent game being the game that we shipped on the Wii U last year, Sports Ball, which is a combination of soccer, ridiculous multiplayer game. Actually, I know that you guys are you were friends with Chain Awesome Games, people making Night Squad. Yep. Totally awesome local multiplayer game. Sports Ball is in that vein, except you have more birds and more sports theme as opposed to just medieval theme. But yeah, so if you're into that game, you will be interested in Sports Ball, which is out right now. It's on the Wii U. If you go to Wii U and you buy it right now and invite 4 of your friends, you'll have an amazing time. It'll be the best night of your life.
Cool. I'm going to try to have a link right now to share to the audience. Right now,
but yeah,
I have to play that.
Yeah. So I've been doing a lot of like heavy like gameplay focus. So I do programming and art and design and sometimes audio, but not as much audio. So I think I share similar traits with you that I can do a little bit of all the things.
Okay.
Focus mostly on programming and design right now.
You wear many hats. So you said that you've been making games for the past 7 years. I believe you guys have made some Flash game as well, right? I'm not the only Flash gamer here. Did I? No. Yes. No.
The first game that 2DX released was called Bosses Forever 2.Bro. That was a sequel to Bosses Forever. Yeah, the game is self-explanatory. There's bosses, it just keeps going. So, the original game was made in Flash in ActionScript 3, yes.
Okay.
But then when I was making 2.Bro, I ported it over to Hax. So I used Hax to launch that so I could put it on multiple platforms. It's actually available on Mac, PC, browser, and Ouya. If you have one of those things, you can dust it off. It's free. BossesForever.com. You can play that game.
Sweet, man. Cool. Okay, cool. What else we have? What engine do you use for StarMazer, actually?
we will talk about the engine for Star Mazer after we talk about Dawn's history.
How did you forget me? It's my game.
Sorry, well, you know, it's my
What's
first
going
time.
on?
It's my first time in
I was a Leicester. I am no longer a Leicester. Check it out, dude. Okay,
That's
so
good to point it out. I'm
a storyteller. I've been trying to tell stories my entire life. I'm an ex-programmer, and I am a filmmaker. I've made films. I made a film called Motivational Growth, which is the first narrative and feature film on Steam. Go get it on Steam right now. Check it out. There's really cool. Star Mazer's actually in it. It's on television in the movie. So I made that movie. I made a feature film last year that's in post-production right now. That's in conjunction with an upcoming horror game by Frictional Games. So those will release at the same time. It's a big feature film. But for the last 5 years, I've been making games professionally. Casually, I was messing around with games previous. Yeah. But I was an enterprise programmer. I did like advertising and like visa compliance and databases and all that kind of dumb stuff. But I moved into game programming, and I've been providing narrative and writing and programming for games for about 5 years. I was a lead programmer at Pixel Jam for a little bit. Now we've kind of turned that over, and some Pixel Jam dudes are working on Star Mazer, so that's cool. And I've written a bunch of really cool games, some of which are out and some of which are coming out this coming year. So I am a writer-director of things. That's what I do.
Sweet, man. Okay, sweet. Now, may I speak now, or I forgot somebody else?
No, the only thing we haven't described is the cat, which is on screen. But if she comes back, we will let the cat
pick her up.
Okay, sweet. I'm just gonna tell my audience, if you guys watching right now have some question for those awesome people right here, awesome people I'd like to be, please send it right now in the chat, and I will read that to them. All right?
We'll answer your questions. We'll do so live, and we'll do so loudly.
Awesome. I like that. You guys are intense. I love you. Okay, well, to get back to my question where I cut you, Dan. Sorry for that, actually. What engine do you use for Star Mazer, actually? Use Unity, or still using Flash?
We are doing something a little different. Yeah. Something that most indie devs don't do. We're using Unity. It's such an obscure engine, but we really thought it could take advantage of the Unity.
We like to be edge casers.
Yeah.
Important note, we're not relying wholly on Unity. We're using Unity as our sort of centralized platform, but some of it's being written in hacks and compiled down to C# libraries, and some of it is being reconstructed from work that we've done in ActionScript and other stuff. So Unity is our central hub, and our deployment platform for sure. So Unity is our engine.
Sweet. Yeah, I do start with Flash and go with Unity myself. So yeah, I have like a bunch of little workflow, and then I end up with Unity because with a cross-platform, I believe that's a really cool solution. What else do I have in question right there? Oh yeah, okay, I'm gonna check question. You will send me one of that, hang on, somebody's asking, you will send me one of that 2 NES you have in the background?
Darkness Sparta wants the NES.
The thing is, those two, one of those is mine. Oh, one of those is mine. It's got a new 72-pin connector. It's got a S-cart and RGB out. It's got all kinds of really cool stuff. So no, you can't have that one. And the other one belongs to my girlfriend. So no, it's not yours.
Yeah,
doesn't work.
We don't want to break relationship here, right?
No way.
Sweet. Okay, I have a question. When starting a new project, where do you start, programming-wise? So, like, what do you implement first? This is from DigiPixel.io.
So I am very much a visceral game developer. Like, I play it to make sure it feels right, because the player, they don't see code, they see the game. That's what's important to them. So I love that. Right? We got that connection. So I'm always
spoken like a true ActionScript developer.
Exactly.
Yeah. So I just get in there and make something that I can play with first. So I put a character on the screen and I make it move, because most of the games I work with have something moving. If the game doesn't have a character moving, then whatever is the very first thing that I can interact with and touch, I make that first. And then I just take every little tiny detail and build upon that. So, like, okay, how fast does it need the character move? Does the character need to move to a point? Does the character fall? And, like, it's just a million tiny tasks.
You just iterate those tasks.
Until you get to the last task, which is game done.
Prototyping and iteration, right?
Yeah, but I bet you have different approaches when you go to build.
Yeah, I have a completely different programming style, which is why I hired this guy, and I'm just directing him. But I come from an enterprise background, so what I do is I actually work out core functionality in theory first, and then I start doing theoretical models, and then I build unit tests, and then I implement the unit tests, and then I make sure the unit tests work, and then I start building modules that will together stacked make those pieces of core functionality. But I think we would start at the same place. It's just that I would have an entire library that made sure that movement happened a certain way, and you would just have some script that made it do jump.
Yeah.
But those are both, to be clear, perfectly valid. They have pluses and minuses. I was speaking recently with an Ouya developer whose game runs via reflection almost entirely, and the whole thing, every time you play the game, you're playing like 6 copies of the game are in memory, all throwing stuff back and forth at each other. And if I looked at that code as an enterprise developer, I would throw up. It's ridiculous. Don't ever do that. It's stupid. But here's the truth. It works and people are buying it, so that's fine. It's not like a car where if it breaks down, you're in trouble. You can patch it, you can fix it, you can make it work. And as long as it works and the person gets it and can play it, that's all that matters. So our approaches, though almost diametrically opposed, don't actually change the end product, which is, does the game work? Is it good? Will it break?
Yeah, I totally agree with that. I mean, at Berserk Studio here, I mean, we have 2 different ways to start in the program. You know, I am like making prototype really fast and make something moving, and then fix all the little flaws. But my partner here, they are artists, so they prefer to have everything in documents and everything super solid in their head, and then they ask me to do the tasks. And in the end, it's the end product that matters. So it's 2 different ways to go over there. And,
no, like when we start coding, I see him. He'll just start writing actual code. When I start coding, I write the structure of the entire module first. Okay. I don't put any logic in there. I put all of the wrappers, documents in, make sure everything's all set up, and then start putting in I make the Twinkie, and then I put the cream inside. You're like a cream first dude.
Maybe the cake. Do we even need the cake? Let's
just cream.
Let's get the minimum cream.
Is that the best part?
Just cream it.
Yeah, sweet. But at the end, it's the product that matters, right? So, yeah. Sweet. Okay, somebody else here. Joseph Mungolf is asking, I'm 40 years old student. What will be some good steps to take if I want to become a game dev?
Wait, I'm gonna say my version, which is gonna be totally opposed to your version.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah.
Okay, so go to eBay, buy like the shittiest like $20 like laptop.
Where's this going?
No internet connectivity, no nothing. Get a CD-ROM drive with it. I'm talking old school, right? Burn a distribution of Linux, put it on the CD-ROM drive. Disconnect from the internet entirely. Go to a fucking park. Make sure you have a battery. Hook it up to your car or something. Install Linux. Write a program. Doesn't matter what it does. Do calculation. Do whatever. Do something that has nothing to do with game development and has everything to do with learning how computers work. Actual computers work. Because the end result... Because you're 40. I'm 35.
We're not 14.
14. Oh, shit. Well, do the same thing, because check it out. It totally works. It doesn't change. If you're young or if you're old, you have to know the principles. If you're in the middle, you probably know the principles. Like if you're like 25 to 30 and you've been working in game dev or computer dev, you get it. But if you're young or if you're old, you're missing something. I found this every time I try to teach somebody that there's just basic stuff is missing. So 14-year-old, learn how to 14. Oh man! Oh god! Sorry.
It's okay. It's a major show, man. It's okay.
Learn how to compile and write your own distribution of Linux or encapsulate your own distribution of Linux. Make minor changes. Write it. See if you can compile it and boot another computer with it. Do something that is not goal related to game dev. The reason is, if you fail, it's no big deal. You won't think to yourself, "Oh, I can't ever make games." You'll think to yourself, "Oh, I can't ever compile Linux," which. Fine, dude. I don't know. It would take me probably an hour to remember how to do that right now. But you need to know the basics to get into it. Now, I think Austin's probably going to have a totally opposite version, which is good because they're both right. So go for it.
Yeah. So yes, I will say that everything Don said is correct. That learning the fundamentals are essential, and every day I need to learn more of the fundamentals to become a better game developer. But that is not a great way to get into it. I don't think so. It's awful, it's terrible. I don't say anything.
This guy's a kid, man.
You have a game to make. The most simple thing, like platform jump, that you run and you jump and you will you win. When you land, it's win. Like you jump over the thing, whatever. And find a way to build that. Use GameMaker. Use ActionScript. Use Unity. I actually highly recommend GameMaker or Construct because then you don't even have to write code. You don't have to worry about code. There's a million other things you're gonna have to worry about. An art asset, a title screen, making a key do the right thing. There's a million things. So make something that is very, very the most simple thing but build that, because you're not going to know how to do anything. You're not going to know how to write the code. You're not going to know how to import the art assets. And when you have a goal in mind, I want the character to jump over there. You can then ask questions specific to that. How do I make the character jump? How do I make the sprite draw on the screen? How do I make a trigger happen when the character goes over there? Those are specific questions that you can ask other people who know how to do that, and they can give you the context of how to solve that problem. Every time you solve a problem, you'll learn a little bit about, to do a trigger, I have to do a collision, and then you'll dig into those things, and eventually you'll learn out from that. Now, there's a trap with that. Yeah. Eventually, you'll have to learn the fundamentals. Yeah. Otherwise, you'll write bad code and you won't be able to build.
Your game just won't work on anything.
It won't build.
Really bloated or terrible.
But there's so many great tools that you can get into it very quickly.
Right.
An amazing resource for it is Reddit, r/gamedev.
Yeah.
There's tons of amazing resources, tons of great like suggestions. It's a great community where people can help you out and they can tell you where to go. So build the simplest thing with the simplest tools, and ask all the questions. There are tons of people willing to help. Just ask. Yeah. Ask everyone.
Yeah. Use the community. Don't be embarrassed. Every person who's made games successfully failed a bunch before they got there.
Yeah, I totally agree with that.
Accept that and get through it. It's kind of like a badge of honor. Once you failed a bunch and everybody saw you fail, and then you succeed, they're like, yeah, you did it.
When I go to like meetups to hang out with other indie devs, we just talk about all the ways we failed. Yeah. We're like,
totally.
doing this.
Yeah. One of my best quotes.
It's very helpful.
One of my best quotes is by the co-founder of Reddit. I forgot his name, but he said, "Go forth and suck," and I really like that. I mean, he's like, go ahead, execute something, and fail. People are gonna laugh at you, but you get back on your feet, and then people will envy you. So go forth and suck. I really like that quote. So yeah, I do agree with you guys. Okay, next, what code revision tools do you use for your Unity project? Do you use any Unity asset store to help manage revisioning, or manage it outside of Unity altogether?
We use Git. And we turn all of our meta files into text-based meta files, so we just stuff them all into the repository,
and it's fine. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Sweet, perfect. Okay, Git. I do use that.
Simple question. If you want to use Git version source control, but GitHub is a cool thing, but if you want to use it free, you have to use it open source, and maybe you don't want to do that. Yeah. Maybe you don't want to pay. Bitbucket is a nice alternative for small teams. You can still have a private repository. It's limited in size, but depending on the scope of your game, you might be able to use that. Yeah. Of course, if you need a bigger thing, you're at the point where you can pay for it. But if you're getting started and you want to be familiar with version control because it's a good skill to have, Bitbucket is nice if you want to use Git.
Sweet. All right, perfect. So I'm gonna take like one last question, guys, because I don't want to take too much of your time. We both have some games to do, so
we have games to make, man.
Exactly. So, Mr. Dimisuki, sorry, I messed up that name. Does one of you guys do the animator or character design, or was the inspiration? Who was the inspiration for the main character?
That's two questions, but we'll answer them. We'll answer both. Neither of us do the character animation or design.
Okay.
Though I think either of us could, we probably just wouldn't do it as good as the people we've got doing it. So originally, in 2010, when I started getting this project together, we had a French animator named Jeremy Perrin, who is super famous and does lots of cool stuff. I got with him, and we built parts of the trailer, the cinematic bits of the trailer, and the style of it. That main character is not based on any one character, but he's based instead on a conglomeration. He's the logical end. I grew up in the 1980s, so I'm very used to the sort of cartoon version of the hero, right? Like the tall, blue-eyed, blonde-haired white dude with a gun. Like that's the what? You don't have a gun.
Oh my god!
The idea is that. Star Mazer deals with the idea that might not actually be the what a hero looks like. But you don't know that until you play the game. The gag, though, is it's based on basically all of the tropes that make a 1980s style hero.
Gotcha.
So he's got big hair, and he's got all the cool hero stuff. And people are like, it reminds me of this, that, and this, and that. Well, of course it does, because they were all doing the same thing, pulling from the same source material. So, it's basically, if it reminds you of somebody, it's probably either inspired by that or inspired by somebody that was inspired by. So that's the thing. For our Kickstarter, we had a wonderful artist from Greece named Christina Antoinette Neofatistou do all of our Kickstarter assets. And then in the actual game design, we have Maximo Vitali Lorenzo on the East Coast here in the United States do all of our, he's our art lead, so he does all of our concept art and all of our character design. And then for pixel animation, we're currently using a gentleman named Eric Santana, and we've got a couple more people coming on for backgrounds and larger animations later in the year. So it's a big team effort, which means that it's always consistent, and it always follows our vision. It doesn't switch between artists.
Yeah, that's leads to the question actually. How big is your team? Like 8 to 9 or something? I went to your about
9 people. It's 9 people.
Sweet. Okay, and your Kickstarter is a success, right? You succeeded with your Kickstarter. Like,
yes, we did. We only just succeeded, but that's success. So
yeah, 5,055 amazing people, some of which are in the chat right now, hanging out with us.
We called them the Mazers. Mazers meet the Latchesters. You guys have a good time.
Awesome. All right, guys. So yeah,
fight. You do the flame thing.
Yeah, fire.
Are we on fire right now? Because I
want to be on fire right
now. Yeah, put that.
The Latchester flames.
On my next interview, you guys are gonna be on fire because you're already on fire. So I'm just gonna put a little effects above everything.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, guys. Thank you very much for your time. That was Star Mazer, amazing crew from Star Mazer. We're gonna close that interview, and I will pop your trailer. You should have a trailer on your website, right?
Yeah, it's on StarMazer.com, StarRMazer.com. We're at Twitter.com/StarMazer, Facebook.com/StarMazer, all the stuff.
Yeah, if you want to hang out with us, just shout at us. We'll meet a thing. Like, that goes with you too, Lester. If we're in a game development event, we should talk and hang out and tell war stories about failure. It'll be great.
Go forth and suck.
There's so many stories to say. Go forth and suck, yeah. All right, so I'm going to close the interview. I'm going to pop the trailer. So thank you very much, guys. Have an amazing day. It was awesome. So, yeah, say hi to Star Mazer, guys. Thank you very much.
Good. Take care. Bye.
Sweet, that was great, guys. Okay, let's go right on the I don't know what's happening with my setup right now because I messed up a lot of stuff. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. That was the amazing guy from Star Mazer. If you do enjoy that, I'm gonna try to do that every single week. I think that's gonna be okay. It's gonna be fine. No, not FGT. I'm all messed up now. My brain is not functioning anymore. Okay, first thing first, StarMazer.com. I want to pop that trailer up right now. Second of all, I want to put the sound for the followers animation. Introspective and not following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. Okay, so trailer right here. Let's listen to that with all our eyes and ears. I don't know if the volume is okay now. Oh shit! Lasers! Like that, look at that. Star Mazers. Look at that. I really like the feeling in the animation, man. Whoa. And everything is voice acted? Oh yeah, the Pixel Jedi is not following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thanks for following. So yeah, they had a successful story on Kickstarter. So please go watch that. Star Mazer. There you go. Star Mazer, please go follow those guys right there. I just followed them. Star Mazer on Twitch, on Twitter, on Facebook, everywhere. Please give them some love. They do deserve it a lot. So right, guys. What an interesting discussion. Awesome. That was awesome. That was amazing. Thanks. Sweet. Cool. I'm glad you did like that, my friend. OMG Latch is literally better than Hitler. Okay, I'll take that as a compliment. I'm better than Hitler. Sweet. Okay, so yeah, that was the very first interview I was planning to do, and I really want to do something like that every single week on Wednesday. You know, we do a Latchester attack, and if they show up, I give you a giveaway. Actually, I need to give you a giveaway. I did promise that. So let me give you a little early access for Infernax. Star Mazer is following the channel. It's official. We are friends. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. Okay, so what's happening with my sound? I believe that everything is messed up. Can you hear the music, guys? Because I think that everything got messed up. Boom. Let me know if you can hear everything. All right. Sweet. Okay, let's do that. A little giveaways for Infernax Early Access. It's happening right now. There you go. Whoa! That was loud! I got punched by my own stuff. right now. Snow Demon, Hellblazer, Man 2, Orimus! Orimus! Fuck yeah! Orimus, sweet, you have 50 seconds actually, Orimus, I believe you are a subscriber? I think so? Anyway, you have 50 seconds to show yourself. Right now. Show yourself. Yes, there we go! Orimus is the winner! The winner is you, Orimus. Congratulations for this Infernax early access. There you go, send tweet. And yes, Skype does. Okay, somebody says Sharky barely. Skype always mess up your setting when then return to normal after the call ends. I have that issue all the time. It's a headache. Okay, I'm gonna check it out. Skinny Ty, I'm John Tacker, director of Starmazer. There you go. Please give Skinny Ty here a follow. Follow Skinny Ty. I really need a bot to do that. Okay, so give a follow to Mr. Skinny Ty right there, and to Starmazer as well. Okay. Where am I? I am so unfocused and unprepared. So I hope, guys, you did enjoy that interview. Because as I'm trying to say like 3 times now, I want to do that every single week. I try to attack a random studio, and if you want to come over here, we do a little interview with them and ask you a question, you know. And so I'm gonna take your question, guys, and ask them, you know. So yeah, it turned out great actually. I was a little bit stressed, I should say. I was stressed this morning about, oh, it's gonna be my first interview ever. So it went right. I did not even panic or cry or bleed. Maybe that would happen, maybe, we don't know. But yeah, it was great actually. Those guys are, it was the first time I meet those guys, and man, they are intense. I have a fucking stiff competition with them to be the most intense guys around town. But man, we definitely, Don and the Starmazer crew, we definitely need to take a beer sometime, my friend. Just to talk about Go Forth and Suck stories. Okay, so what else did they talk? They talk about sports ball. I want to see that actually. Sports ball. Sports ball, sports ball. Non-competitive sports ball nutrition for today? No, probably not. No, probably not. Hang on, please, guys. Can you give me the link for sports ball? I want to try that game. Sports ball. There you go. Oh yeah, I think I saw that. Hang on. That should be it, right? Sports ball. Did I saw that? Yes, I saw that. Hang on. Okay, there we go. Oh, sweet. Yeah, I saw that at one. Looks intense. I saw that in one party at one point. I think it was PAX East or PAX Prime. Oh yeah. Sports ball. Sports ball. This guy doesn't fuck around. Okay, here's a little boop. Here's a little link to sports ball and to Starmazer. Nice! Okay, I am so unfocused right now. I believe that you guys deserve a little chess, at least, so I can do that. Right click on the speaker system tray. Playback device. Belly down, belly down. Reduce the volume by all the sound. There we go. Do nothing. Apply. That should be good now. 15. Refill. There we go. So for those who don't know what the hell's going on with the little chess, I made a little game called Lash and Friends RPG, where you can create your own character on lashandfriends.com. You can create your own character, get experience point by watching the show, and be part of the show. Let me show you how it looks like as I'm doing a little presentation with Mega Medley, I believe. Can I like remove that one? Ah, there we go. Okay, please welcome everyone watching right now. We got ADP Gaming saying, "Are you kidding?" And of course Jay saying, "Not in the face, not in the face." Art customized, Betty00. I want to put the music just a little bit more. Yeah. Brozar, Brian Yaku saying, now Lash, can you say anything? Say anything! Bulbig Flank, level 4 has no rewards, I'm sorry for that. BM Davis, Sharky1111, Happy High is saying, OMG, 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 OMG! Emily, Yaxi, What Pony, Volley 6969, Game Development! Telmec, the life is yours is saying, all hail Lash, the supreme leader of Quebec! Tontonian, Storm Spike, Standing is saying, I'm happy. Spetsnazor, Snow Demon 2, RWW Matzi, whoop! Silent Scientist, Orimus is saying that one time at Ben Camp. Nexon 20, these boots were made for walking. To be fair, I need some new ones. Lumpex999, Luke Duke, Lark Len, well, time for Valborg. Penis is my love, Penis is life. Hi on my gaming and say it's time to kick ass and chew bubblegum, and I'm all out of bubblegum. Crumb Salvo, Chris Gonkos, Keld Steck, Julian Master, Joseph Moongolf, Gacho015, Ayak to get. It's getting hard. Hellblazer1136, Western Science is so wonderful. Hawking00, look at that, I'm back, bitches. Gory Fate is saying, I love you. Gorm. Gobbletron, Gap321 is wearing pants made from live monkey. It's a bad idea. Gina Zero, Game Body, Gagaru, Flappy Simon, Philip47, Health Spit, Exter, woo! 8-Bit Steve is saying, Lash, you inspired me to be a better programmer. Cool, man, I hope you will be one. Drew's Gusto, Darkness Sparta, Kriya saying, let's have some fun. Catboy72. Ah! There was a lot of people, guys. Ah! There was a lot of people. Oh, Lash is from Quebec? Sight. Oops. I disappointed you. I'm sorry, I didn't want to disappoint you. Okay, so I want to do a little bit of game development still. We're gonna hop in game development a little bit more. Ok, envie des lignes. That is quite boring. Quand tu shield le projectile devrait tomber à terre. Let's do that. When you shield, because that one are visual ones, so I'm gonna put that in Etienne display. But first though, where's this? Come on, Castle 1, no, 7, no, there we go. Okay, level 3. Okay, there was like some lines here and there. And I really find that annoying. Okay, let's remove the collisions. And let's remove the visuals. Ah, there we go. Ah, what's that? What's that for? Okay, can I put that? No! Cool, okay. This and this whole thing over here, can I put that like this, do that, and then take this and repaint it? Apparently not, damn it. Come on, I don't like that. Over here, I don't know what's happening with those little lines. Super annoying. To try to mess up with my game. Okay, so like this, that should be done, should be fixed. Which one? Level 3? Boom! That's fixed. Level 11. I need to put it like this. Okay, 100. Ah! Damn it! Digipixel 10 is not Oh man! Oh, with the sound messed up, man! Shit! It was like twice as louder as usual! Fuck! Thanks a lot, Digipunks! Thanks for the support! Man, the sound is all messed up now! Shit! Okay, that's going into a highlight. Thank you very much for the support, man! I was so focused into a minor thing, like focusing on the screen with the little lines and then BAM! Right in my face. Oh, I love you guys. Thank you very much, Digipixel. You're the man. You punched me in the face. And I did deserve it. And now I'm super scared. I am really fucking scared of working. This is hardcore game development, guys. Can you just imagine that? Like, you are working, like everybody's minding their own business, and once in a while somebody just punch you in the face, like randomly, like one time out of 3 days, you know? BAM! Oh shit. Woo! Okay. I'm scared. Oh, that was beautiful. As long as it makes a good show, I'm happy. Oh man. Na, 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 na. Oh shit. Oh shit. Have you ever been that scared for your own software? Well, this one was the best one. I got scared another time by Nexon 20. No, Nexon 20 punched me while I was trying to get my record on Super Hexagon. So no, I wasn't scared for that one. But the other one, who was it? Guinness Pig, yeah, Guinness Pig. And I did a highlight already for Mr. Guinness Pig when he punched me in the face. Oh, that was beautiful. Okay, so we got... Ah! Fuck! Calstack in front of me. This is crying. God damn it! I don't like this anymore. Oh shit! I'm fucking shaking. Oh shit! Oh, I love you guys. Calstack. Oh man, I'm pretty sure even my wife in the next room got scared by that one. Oh man, that's great. Okay, let's continue to make that brainless job. I don't want to twitch anymore. Okay. Okay, stalactite. Let's do that boring job. This is a good way, actually, to make a boring job looks pretty cool. Oh, damn it! What bully? What bully has joined the battle? Thank you very much, man. Now I'm getting on my nerves. Now I'm getting like prepared, like at any moment to get punched. Okay, hang on. I'm starting to see a trend here, and I like it actually. That's a good show. Thanks a lot for your support, guys. Oh, that's terrible. It's gonna become illegal. Like, that guy is inflicting damage on himself. He's like literally hitting himself when somebody gives him $5 on internet. Wait until I tell my mom that's how I make money. That's how I feed my kids, Mom. By getting punched on internet. You get me money on internet? Okay, follow. Sweet. So even Nick is not following. He's getting paranoid. Yes, I'm getting paranoid. Lasher and friends, fix your sound. I don't know how to fix it. It broke because of Skype. I'm gonna drop it like a little bit. Can you hear the music? Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. This is happening. Okay, okay, okay. Those are okay, I believe, though. Those ones were okay. Let's go see in the game. Action friends, there was one spike floating in the air on the last screen. Oh, thanks. I'm gonna check it out. Oh yeah, it was this one, right? I believe there was, yeah, exactly. This over here. You go ahead here. Boom. Finally, a little break of punches is. I should not say that. I will get it in my face. I will get it in my face. So much sex joke can be said with that sentence. Damn it! Okay, this one is okay. I believe those one will be okay as well. Let's just check it out very briefly. That's all good, although this looks weird. But you can't go there, so it's okay. Actually, yes, you can go there. Can you? Yes, you can. Because that part looks weird. Hang on. La 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 la. Okay, so I need something like this. This and this. That's weird. That's I don't know if you can see there. Okay, I want to check with Etienne. Maybe in the game it looks okay. I don't know. So intense! That's intense game development. Okay, that was over here, that was over here. Actually, that's more like here. Boom. No, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. La 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 la. La 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 la. Come on, get there. Okay. Wow, so beautiful. Whoa, 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 whoa. Excision Game Dev is not part of the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. At least it is not a subscriber. I actually do enjoy it though. I mean, when I get punched in the face, you guys, that's because you guys get me support. So I should stop whining. Stop whining, Latch. It is for a good cause. Getting punched in the face for a good cause. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. So at least that won't look, yeah, cool. It looks better. Yay, another bug fix. Lash, don't scale the texture. I am not scaling the texture, my friend. It's just like, it's a little trick that you can do. Look. Look, Emily. You can do something like this. You can scale it up. And then do this and poop. And then, not poop, but poop. Ah, come on. Now, just because I want to show you, it's not working. Hang on. So if I do something like this, scale it up, and then do this. Boop. Yay, it's all back to one square. I'm using the paint bucket to fix it up. Okay, so that's good. Oh, here, I saw something. Skinny tie! It's official, man! You're in Leicester right now! Awesome! Skinny Tie has joined the battle and he punched me in the face, and I am pretty sure he was super excited about that. That's for ignoring me. That's for asking me a question and not listening to my answer. Lash, BAM! Right in the face. Sweet. I followed your show, by the way, Mr. Skinny Tie, Don. I follow the show, so I'm gonna listen to that. When is your show, actually? Please let me know in the chat. When is your show on Twitch? I followed you, but I can't wait to see when it is. Okay, let's remove that one. Fuck it. Okay, so that's another one. No, come on. Where am I? Okay, here. Come on! I hate that. Boom! Sports Ball! I have the trailer in my head right now, repeating over and over. Sports Ball! I forgot to ask you guys, when will be the release date of Starmazer? Please let me know. I forgot to ask you that. I got a couple of questions, but I just jumped right in the interview. So I forgot to ask you, when was the release date? When do you expect a release date for Starmazer? I can't wait to play that, man. It was great to see that, you know, those guys has the same mindset than I, you know? We just like never met each other. We just had like both a bunch of years of experience in game development, but we came to the same conclusion, you know, like just like do some small prototype and do iteration, or just like go for it and suck, like just go ahead, execute stuff and try to do stuff. So, you know, it's quite nice to see that from our two different places. We were born in two different places, we don't have the same year, into the same age. Exidium Game Dev has joined the battle. I was saying words of wisdom. You got me. Like, shut up, Lash. Shut up. Shut your face. We don't care. We just want to punch you and make fun of you on internets. Sweet. Thank you very much for supporting me, man. Exodium Game Dev. There we go. Thanks a lot, man. Man, how many subscribers do we have today? We're gonna break the day. Are we getting like a new subscriber emoticon pretty soon? Damn, that would be sweet. There's a link to all the there's a link to all the emoticon in the Twitch description just below me, guys. By the way, every time I say just below me, I always hear myself saying, "Oh, Material Blade is on the channel. Welcome aboard." I always hear myself saying, "Just blow me." Like, there's something just blow me. Like, what? You want us to blow you? What? What kind of sick Twitch TV is this? I didn't sign up for that. Yeah, but yeah, what I was saying before I got punched in the face is it's pretty cool to see that from two different backgrounds, two different. We're not even the same country, the same age or whatever, but we come to the same conclusion, you know? It's pretty cool. Those are really cool guys. I really want to see them again, actually. I can't wait to can it work? Nah, come on. I can't wait to meet them again on the next PAX. Will that work if I do this? Kinda. No. Will it work if I do this? Come on. Come on. on, just go in there. Oh, it's actually correct. Okay. Yay! Yay! Okay, bug fixed. No! Yay! Whoops. Let's put that there. Boom. Like this. Let's put that there as well. And there. Okay, there. Okay, so let's put that. Boop, boop, boop. Is that working? Oh no, it is not. This one should be like just. No. Actually, maybe I can do this. Ah! I did not sign for that. This is not what I wanted. Come on. I do that like this. What's happening here? I can feel a punch in my face pretty soon. I'm scared. I think I'm scarred, guys. Like, for all the time you punch me in the face, now when I'm gonna do like a mindless task like this, I won't be able to. Come on, what's happening? God damn it. Yay, okay, good. I got one. That doesn't mean anything. Nah. Okay, so that was weird. I think that Flash is starting to mess up. I believe it does mess up a little bit. Okay, good. Okay, can I do this now? Like I did earlier. Can I do that? No! What the hell is happening? Okay, like this. Yay! Man, good enough. Okay, like this now. We're gonna get there, guys. We're gonna get there. Like this. Yay. No, it does not work. Why so, actually? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't know what's happening anymore. Yeah, there's a little bug over here, but I don't quite get that one. Maybe I'll put that on Mr. Come on. What the fuck is happening? It's that little part over here that breaks. But if I put this over there, like this. Okay, let's go see on another screen, because now I'm just like... I'm not... Okay, they do nothing like this. Helmut is not on the channel! Welcome aboard, thank you very much for following! So there's no stuff like that on every screen, if I understand then. Yeah, there's a glitch here as well. Oh yeah, Never Die Raw is not on the channel! Welcome aboard, thank you very much for following, man. Thanks a lot. Come on, get there. Okay. That's weird though. Maybe I can put... How did I do this? I just cut like that. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like this looks better. Okay, I'm gonna ask Etienne because now I'm just like, I cannot focus on that at the same time. Yep, hang on. No! When did I tell you? What the hell? You! Here! Get the back here! There you go. You make no sense. What the hell? At least I'm gonna have something like this. At least. At the very least. Okay, I think we got something. Yeah, all those places, I'm not sure about that. Oh, you cannot see, damn it. Sorry about that, guys. Boop. And Latch has to leave his shirt on. Sad Latch. What? Because I cannot be naked at work, is that it? You should get a soundproof board if you keep screaming like that, I'm screaming too loud. I can't wait to see that. So many subscribers in such a short time. People deserve a chest. I do. Oh yeah, yes. You do alright, Mr. Luke Duke. No, not Luke Duke. Jet2015. You do deserve a chest, guys. Let me give that to you. There you go. All for you. Take it up. You have to do a compilation. Yes, I'm proud of just you two. Lash and Friends and Star Mazer. Yeah, Bold Big Flank, man. It was a great connection. Thank you very much for that, man. Great. Hey, Latch, what up, bro? Hey, Joe Keys, how you doing, man? It's me, Master Hijinks. Latch, this is me now. Sweet, Master Hijinks. Welcome back with your new name. Whew, okay. Is it your new game company? Exidium, if I pronounce that correctly. Exidium Game Dev? Okay. Oh, that has been cut. Look at that. There's no tip. The tip has been cut. What else? Oh yeah, Mad Hatter! This is not really the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. Very sorry, guys, if I do not interact much. I am super focused. What is that? Oh, okay. Okay. All of them without you. There you go. Yeah, cool. Okay, so that's been done as well. Latch and Friends, do you have some news about the early access release? At the beginning of the show, I told that me and Etienne yesterday made a lot of tests and put like a big to-do list. So we made like a big to-do list over there. You know? All of that big to-do list. The good news though is that it's going super fast because a lot of them is just like put that character a little more up, so I can do that like in 15 seconds. So it's gonna be like going quite easily. But as far as from a release date, I don't want to say any date, guys, because I don't want to say something that I will regret, or like maybe I don't want to disappoint you again. It's in terms of week. It is super close to an early access release. Very much. What is that? Oh yeah, I decided to stop doing this. So I don't want to promise anything, but we are very close. So I'm talking about matters of weeks or days. So yeah. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Alright. You two, get in there. There we go. That's what she said. Oh, beautiful. Wow, this is so perfect. Oh, again, look at that. Wow. My immersion, man. Can I like destroy that, destroy that, destroy that? Oh. I think I'm gonna do that, yeah. Yeah, fuck that brown thing. Fuck it. Yep. Dip. There we go. Whoop. La la la, come on. Na 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 na. Da dee da na. Cool. Okay, let's go back on the chat a little bit, guys. It's quite boring to watch. Legend friends, we should get a last chess emote. That is correct, actually. That's a good point. What do you think? I do think it's a great idea. Legend friends, I'm just saying, get a soundproof board. Will be friendly to neighbors and other people eating your farts. Yep, actually, it's a good point. Legend friends, when making a game, how do you get the hype train going? How do you promote your game? This is actually a question I'm asking myself. I don't know. This game is my very first game I will publish on Steam, and I was asking that very question yesterday to Happy High and to Mike and Mark, my two teammates, and Emily. Like, what should we do to get the hype train going? My plan is to just be on Twitch every single day and just like try to, you know, have as much of people watching me doing some stuff, you know, because that's the whole point. When you're making like dev blog and stuff like that, you want people to get attached to your stuff, you know, so you got to be like every single day or every Monday you have to release something on the internet or something like that, you know. So that's my plan. I don't know if it's a good plan, but that is my plan right now, to just always be on internet on a super tight schedule, you know. I'm trying to do some more, not more content, but I would love to make like a wrap-up of the whole week. Like, I watch all my Twitch, and at the end of the week I do a wrap-up, but the editing time will take a long time, you know. And hiring somebody to do that will cost me a lot of money, so I don't know yet, you know. Best scenario will be the money you give me guys with the subscription and everything. I will hire somebody to make a wrap-up video at the end of each week, you know, like highlights of all the week, and put like a funny video. So that will allow me to be on Twitch every single day and be on YouTube every single week on a super tight schedule, you know, all talking about my stuff. So yeah, as far as for promoting it, the game itself, I actually don't know. That's where I stand right now. The majority of the indie games I play all words from mouth, all word of mouth and social media. There you go, Handhammer. DigiPixel.io, he just interviewed the Star Mazers. No, the Star Mazers fan know about Latch and vice versa. Yeah, that's one of the plan actually. That's one of another plan. If I interview somebody every Wednesday, it's a win-win, you know, because I get to share my audience with those guys, and same thing with them, you know. So we all have to stick together if you want to win into the indie world. So, yep. And actually, I thought that their game was pretty cool. Chew. You know? And I hope I didn't insult them by asking, can my mom play that game? Because that was a legit question, you know? I just wanted to know, you obviously have two different audiences, so I just wanted to, you know, their thoughts on that. Bottom line, I don't care, you know? I think that the game is, I think that as long as the game is cool, it's gonna be okay, you know? And I don't think that, anyway, that I don't think that, for example, my mom will be on Steam anyway, so nah, you know. And who knows? Maybe it's gonna create something super awesome. So yeah, I just wanted their thoughts on that, you know. I didn't want to tell them. I hope they didn't receive that as like an attack or something, like saying, "Well, you don't know what you're doing." No, I was just like wondering what was their thought on that, because it was an elephant in the room. You know, it was an elephant in the room question for me. It's like, okay, let's get rid of that and then talk about the cool stuff you're doing. I don't think I insulted them. I think they're still gonna love me. Will they? Will he come back? Please come back. He's gonna come back. He's coming back. He still love me. I can change. I can change, Star Mazer. Please come back. Shut up! Push a punch in my face. Ah, ugliness right there. I really don't like that, and I don't like that at all as well. Ah! Okay. What I can do on this one is simply put that over there. Damn it. Woo! Billy la da da do do da 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 do da da do da 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 dee ooh da 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 dee ooh da 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 da. Whoa! What's that? This go no. Yeah. It's like a line I don't like here. So many small things. There's a little line I don't like. Can I put it up like just a little bit? No. Is that two separate layers? No. Is that on this one? No. Come on. I'm saying put that on top of this one. Whoa. Okay, that's a little bit too much. What was that? Got a curve on this one? Aw. Oh! Why is that a curve? What the hell? That made no sense! Okay. Okay, so up. Hang on there, buddy. Hang in there, buddy. Boop. Same thing here. Boop. 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 Okay, so that should be good. That's 18. Let you insult everyone every day. There you go. Now, well, that's be awesome. Now I have a friend on the Game Review Podcast Radio that recently interviewed the Axiom Verge guy. Oh, they could get in touch with you, Legend friends. Oh, sweet, man. That would be great. Yeah, that would be great. I want to fucking play that game as well. Yay, collaboration for the win. Stormy Zones for everyone, including their moms. There you go. Watching you code and punch your face. He just interviewed the Star Wizard now. The Star Wizard fan know about life as we say exactly why you covered including your mom. There you go. Would your mom play Infernax, Legend friends? No. No, she would not. She would not play actually in any of my game. Who done the art for Infernax? Etienne. Etienne has done the art. Etienne is one of the co-founder of the studio, if I want to put more thoughts in that answer. Legend friends, so how did you find your team? Sorry for the question. No, go ahead, my friend. That's why I'm streaming today. So yeah, please ask me some question. Where did I find them? I work in the industry for 2 years. I work in a company of flash games called Frima Studio. And yeah, I met Mark and Etienne over there. I work with them over there. And we just enjoyed working together, and we decided to try to do something on our own. And yeah, the thing just grew up out of proportion. So we quit our job and decided to stick on trying to make our games. So that's how I met those brilliant guys, which is why I always recommend to start in the industry first. So you get experience and you get money to start up, and you also get contact. I actually made a big Indie Your Face video about that on my channel, Indie Your Face, explaining all of this. It is not the only way to achieve your goal of becoming an indie game developer, but it worked for us, so you know, of course I'm gonna recommend my path, you know. So if it works for us, I believe it's gonna work for you as well. So yeah, and it's less risky, you know, instead of just like jumping out of your student, jumping out of school and just try to go indie right away. Maybe it's gonna work, but it's much more risk, you know, to just put everything on the same place. I'd recommend to just like try to get contact, try to get a team first, so that can be achieved by going on the industry first. La 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 la. Screen 22, I'm almost there. Keep it up, Latch. I wanna finish that and then okay. I wanna finish that and then I'll go on Super Hexagon. What's happening here? What's happening? There's like a line appearing here. Just because it go up just a little bit. Can I do this then? Ah, okay, I get it. Ah, okay, cool. It did work. Sweet. So many little glitches. You know, that is also part of game development, you know? When you see game development on the, like, the major major television show, for example, Fox or whatever, you know? I always find that funny how they put game development, you know? There's always, like, there's one guy sitting in his, like, a sofa on a big couch playing video games and you say, yeah, you know, that's how we... You know, Mom always taught me that I would do nothing with video games, but look at me now. I'm making video games, but it's just like playing. That's not making video games. It's just playing them. You can test some games, but testing is not as much relaxing as it sounds. Testing is all about, like, if you play a racing game, you're gonna try to hit all the walls. So that's not playing. It's just like trying to break the game. Two different things. You get to see, you get to have all the spoilers of the game before everybody else in a very boring way. So you cannot experience the game anymore. You just spoiled it, you know? Testing is that. Next! Lash saw the company, there you go. Lash, what might you use for streaming? I like your audio compared to other streamer who sounds like they're in a card box. I have listed all my things, all my equipment, just below in my Twitch description, my friend. Software... okay, it's not there. Sorry! If you go on Latch and Friends, though, you should see them. Tools. There you go, right over there. You're gonna see equipment I use for Twitch. Boom! So, to answer your question, my mic is an Editor's Key SL300. This. Da-da-da! Or this. So it's a plug and play. It's a plug and play mic, super easy to install, and it works really great. I like it. Oh, well. Is everything good here? Up. Maybe. Ah, come on. Like this, this all looks cool. This won't be shown anyway. Whenever I hear about testing job like that, I think of the Pure Peonage episode where he's testing a pony game. I didn't see that one. Actually, I don't know the Pure Peonage. Sweet, thanks, no problem, friend. Okay, I believe I've done. Nope. There's one thing left. There's some left. Damn it. What the hell? Okay. This is game development. Cutting up some glitches here and there. And when I started up, oh God knows I didn't know all of those details will be involved in game development. Well, there you go. Whoa. This. What the hell? It's like a line when I just zoom out. What's that line? There's no line there. That's weird. Okay, there's a line here, but not when I zoom out. When I have to check it out. Can I do that? Put like this and do oh. Whee! Good, it works. I believe so. No, it doesn't. Maybe I can do this. No, I cannot do that. It's gonna stop in the middle. Oh, but I can do something like. Can I? Something like this? Yeah, I can. Okay, cool. I'm gonna do that. This over here as well is not good enough. This, remove that, and this. Hang on. No, I can't do that. Come on. Oh, actually. Aha! There you go. Okay, Lash, that is true. I had a job at Game Tester for a while. It was not fun. I had to test Sleeping Dog and I had to test performance. The first build ran at like 5 FPS. Oh man, it's not as fun as it sounds, man. I hear you, man. I hear you so much. Yeah, exactly what I'm talking about. That's why, like, ironically, when you're making game, you cannot like enjoy a story game because you get all the spoilers, you know. So you can see how the game is good through other people's eyes, but not by yourself, you know, because you know every single details of it and you consume it already, you know. Unless it's a game like, for example, Sports Ball would be a good one, or Night Squad, or games like that, you know, where you can play over and over and still have new game experience. That's cool, you know, you can still play it, but a game where you can just consume once and that's it, that's a little different. Okay, am I done? Yes, I believe I'm done. Save. Close. You do deserve a chest for that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this. I'm gonna close the stream. I'm gonna first do a little bit of Super Hexagon. I'll do Super Hexagon, not Open Hexagon, because I just want to chill out. All right. I'm gonna try to open I want to try that on another day, because right now I just want to chill. I feel exhausted, man. A lot of minutious details like this. Oh. There you go, guys. Little chess, Latch and Friends RPG. Yes, Game Bodhi. You can download that game on
Super Hexagon.
Not Super Hexagon. On latchandfriends.com, where you can get experience point and be part of the show. Fuck, 2 XP to level 10. Man. So soon!
Again.
Oh, it's time to relax a little bit after a good day of game development. I like to relax with Super Hexagon. Whoa!
Game over again.
Excision Game Dev. I'm going to start trimming dev just like Latch. I mainly do game jam now, but I want to polish one up and put it out. Sweet. This is my first new persona. I was Master Hijinks. If I can stop working 80 hours work a week, I'll start next few nights. Sweet, man. Can't wait, my friend. I'm gonna host you. Latch, that's called drunk driving. And you should not do that. Okay, I'm gonna call it a day, guys. I'm gonna call it a day. Today was pretty productive. Oh, look at that. How did they make my picture? They put a manly man on my stream. What do I look like? Sweet. Let's do the outro. Oh. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Latch and Friends, guys. Today was awesome. You guys are the best. Oh, Emily was happy about that booth. Ah, sweet. Thank you. Whoa, that cut was so fast. I'm sorry for that. There you go. So yeah, thank you very much, guys, for being there with interviewing StarMazer. I was thrilled to do that, actually, and yeah, I can't wait to see that. I like that interview. I like the little intro, you know, awesome people I'd like to be with, like me bowing. It's like, I want to be as cool as you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do that every single Wednesday. I don't want to promise that like in the schedule, but let's try it like a little bit, you know. I never interview anybody in my life, you know, and for real, this morning I was stressed out. I didn't even have lunch yet. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna have to interact with another human being on Twitch. Oh my god, So I was kind of stressed, you know, like when I started to Twitch at the very first days. I was like, oh, what if I fart on the stream? People gonna look at me and have fun of me, you know, my reputation will go down, blah blah blah. So it was kind of that little stress. But you know what I said? Go forward and suck. That's the same. That applies to that to here as well. You know, I'm not an interviewer. I don't know how to do it, but I'm gonna fucking learn it. Just the same as game development, you know? Go forward and suck. Go forward and suck. Go ahead, do it, and then you eventually go get good. So yeah, that was the advice of the day, actually. So yeah, guys, as usual, I stream every single day around noon my time. Don't forget to follow the channel if you like it, just like Pyro Insane just did right now. Perfect timing, Mr. Pyro. Thanks a lot. And you can also follow me on Twitter if you want to stalk me for whatever I have in mind. You don't have anything to ask a question? What? You don't have to, hang on. Mrs. Stay Peaceful, you don't have to do anything. Just let us ask the question. Yeah, actually, that's a good point, you know? But I still want to interact with the guy, and I have a question as well, you know? And I think that will be better if we gotta interact and I get your question as well. Sweet. Follow on Twitter too, Latch and Friends. Thanks a lot, Mr. Pyro Insane. I love you. So thank you very much, everyone, for all the subscribers. Man, I got punched in the face like, what, 6 times today? I screamed so loud. I think that my neighbor gonna put me out of my house somehow. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Let's go raid somebody. Hang on. Who can we raid right now? Twitch TV, Latch and Friends, I'm gonna put that interview as well, an interview with StarMazer as a highlight, and I wanna put that on YouTube as well for everybody to check it out again and again and again. I'm gonna check on, hang on, Twitch TV Game Development. Let's go raid the random people over there. We got B Batman, which is pretty cool already. This guy also. Okay, let's go raid B Batman. That's what is going to happen. I'm gonna raid that guy over here, Mr. B Batman. All right, I'm gonna host this guy, so I'm leaving you with the perfect hands of Mr. Crikey or B Batman. So thank you very much for watching as hell. I'm shutting my face now. I'm going offline. Thank you very much for watching. You guys, as usual, you guys are the best, especially you. Bye.